everyone presented here. As you know very well that I'm Vinit Yadav. Today on behalf of knowledge.
So first of all, good afternoon. My name is here. As you all know, my name is Rishab. I came from Nagpur. As you all know that today is debate, and today I will speak on behalf of money.
Okay, please. Both are comfortable seat and just.
Money is a very important, sir. Do you know or not?
Yes, I know. But
Listen, speak loudly and accept. Yes, I know. Yes.
according to myself, knowledge is very important. If you have knowledge, you can achieve anything. But if you have not knowledge, you can't achieve anything.
How can you get education? Without money, how can you get education?
Yeah, I can get education without money. Those are only free course.
But
Just
but starting 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, sir, take money.
Yeah, I know that, but you are not given able to fees. Those are not taking fees.
How can you say those are not taking fee?
Yeah, do you know Shankar Thakur?
Yeah.
Those are not taking
3 months, 4 months are taking
It's
fees.
not. And as well as Rishu.
That's not matter.
Yeah. According to myself, knowledge is very important. If you have knowledge, you can do any work. But
This
you have
time,
knowledge.
this
you
time,
can-
listen to me. This time, this person has not money. They have only tension. They have no any happiness.
Suppose that you have more money.
Yeah.
But if you have no knowledge, how can you purchase anything?
Firstly, if I have money, then I can get education. After that, I can purchase things.
But you can take education.
Yeah. But problem is this, without education, you can't take money. Without education, without money, you can.
You can't take education.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that without money you can't take education.
Yeah.
But if you have knowledge, you can't take education.
Why are you taking education?
Take knowledge.
Why are you taking knowledge? Money or other things?
Yeah, I take knowledge, not money or not money.
My question is this, listen carefully.
Yes.
Why are you getting knowledge? Money or other things?
Other things, not money, only not money.
Without money, how can you purchase anything?
If you go anywhere, you need only money, not.
Yeah, firstly money.
No.
If you have money,
if you have many money, any person. If you have more money, people can ask you where are you coming from. If you have no knowledge, how can you tell I'm coming from
If I have money, then I can get education.
Yeah, first you can take education. Yeah,
No, so without money, how can you take education?
Why are you taking education? You only take only money, not education. You can go and do job, only take money, not get education. Why do you come from Adroit Academy every day? You can take education because you know very well that education is more important
But
than
firstly money. Firstly, sir, take money. After that, sir, give time.
No. Suppose that you give me money only, ne? Rohit sir has no knowledge. How can you teach me? How can you teach you?
Rohit sir
He
has
has no knowledge. How can you teach me?
When sir went to for getting knowledge anywhere, then firstly he paid fee.
Yeah, I know that when Rohit sir go any college, purchase anything, pay fees. But
If you have education, if you have not money, then our person say you are not good. If you have money, then if person look you, give the respect, talk politely.
but according to myself, if you have many money, you have no knowledge. You have more money, but you have no knowledge. You are very bad boy. You are as useless person.
But you have education, you have not money. How can you purchase anything?
Yeah.
How can you eat food?
I have money. I can purchase anything because you have knowledge. While sleeping, you to earn money at your home. If you have money, if you have knowledge.
Without money, you can't purchase anything. Without money, people can't give you any respect.
Yeah, I know that without money, people can't respect. But if suppose that you are a mad person. If you have no money, people will give you respect. No, because people is know very well that he is very crazy boy, and as well as
Firstly, people look money. After that, look education.
nothing like that.
How can you say
What are you thinking? Nothing like that, bro. Because if you present time when you purchase anything, firstly you then ask what is price and whatever. If you have no knowledge, do you know what is this?
Yeah, people on. It's a common knowledge. If God gives.
Yeah, money is common. Yeah, all people is no money, but all people has money. Money has an end, but knowledge never end. You know very well that.
Firstly, if I have some money, then I can get education. After that, I can earn more money.
Fantastic, Lafo.